I just received some packages with some prices I won on the Toreba online crane game, so I decided to make an unboxing video for you. And this is the first package. I received 3 packages. They are pretty big, as you can see, and I'll start opening them just right now. Okay, just wait a second. Sorry for the crappy quality of the video, but at the moment I don't have a camera, so my phone camera is the one thing I have to record this video. Okay, let's open it to see what's inside. There's a lot of geek stuff inside. Hopefully, if they didn't send me an empty box, which I don't think it's the case. Okay, let's see what's inside. Yay! Lots of stuff. Okay, we have... Wow! This is fantastic. Okay, we have a plushie of AV from the Pokemon series. This is... Oh, it's so cute! It's fantastic, I love it. It's so cute. I got 3 of those, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's really cute. Medium size. Okay, I have with this bag. It's fantastic. I love it. From a Full Metal Alchemist series. This is a collaboration they made with Sanrio. You may know Sanrio for the Hello Kitty series and other characters they designed. They are specialized in a Japanese company specialized in cute characters, and they made a chibi cute up version of Full Metal Alchemist for those gadgets. And I honestly love this bag. It's very cute. I may use it to conventions, in comic conventions, to do some shopping, I think. I'll definitely keep this one. I may sell some other stuff. I may probably sell I will definitely sell some of those because I want free. I may gift some of the items to some of my friends, but I think most of the stuff I'm selling. I'm selling on auction sites or something like that. But I'm definitely keeping this bag. I like it very much. Okay, this is a ReZero fleece. It's I don't know the material. Actually, it's a synthetic, I guess. Let me... Sorry for the camera. I'm trying to open it. Just bear with it. Okay. Oh, it's pretty soft. It's pretty soft, actually. It's soft material. It's... Wow. I like it. It's kind of like a blanket. Okay. It's kind of like a soft blanket. It's really, wow, I love it. I like it. This is a little bit fun servicey, as you can see. I got this one. This other one was a variant. I won this, and it's cool. It's kind of cool. I may open it later on to show you the design. And as you can see, it's like this. It's like this. I don't know the actual size of the thing. It looks big. I love the material. It's really soft. I like it. I don't know if I'm keeping this because honestly, it's just a little bit too fun servicey for my test to keep it in my room. It basically screams weeaboo, but. But it's nice. I actually like it, and I may, I don't know, I may sell it, I may keep it, I may gift it to some friend. I'll see about this. Okay, this is cool. Okay, okay, those are the big items. Okay, I won about 16 of those. Those are cushions. Okay, those are cushions from ReZero, and there are two different designs. This is one of the designs. Okay, this is one of them, and the other design. Okay, I'll have to. I guess those are inflatable. I think, yeah, probably, because they're kind of flat. No, maybe. I guess maybe that they are vacuumed, something like that. I don't know. Okay, they are flattened anyway. I don't know how to make them return to their normal shape. Maybe I don't understand Japanese at all. Maybe I just have to take it out of the bag and arrange it a bit. I don't know. I don't understand. I'll try later on and I'll let you know. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one is more less compressed. Okay, you can see it. Okay, that's 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, this is the other design. This is really cool. If you like RAM from ReZero. Okay, I'm definitely selling those because I got a lot of those. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see the design. Yeah, can you see it? It's really cool. 4, 5 of them. Okay, and here there are some some action figures. We have some. Wow, those are massive. I love those. A couple Yoshi plushies. Oh, they are really soft. I love those. Those are cool. I got a green one and a yellow one. Okay, those are. I love those. Okay, I love this. I love this. Okay, I want to keep this. I don't know if I have the space. I have some space issues, like you can see in my room. So that's why I'll probably sell most of this stuff. But I want to keep this. This is so cool. Okay, I love this. Some figures. Okay, we have a Fate Apocrypha assassin figure. As you can see, it's assassin from Fate Apocrypha. Okay. Okay. I got multiples of those, so I'm selling at least part of those. I don't know if I'm keeping one. I'll see later on. Maybe I'll keep it, maybe not. Okay, second one. It's a cool figure. I've seen some images, some videos, some images of it on the internet, and it looks pretty detailed for a price figure. It's actually pretty good. You can see the painting is not bad at all. Of course, it's not like a couple $100 figure you can buy in a specialized on specialized shops, but it's pretty cool for a price figure. I like it. The design is really good. Okay, I have this got this from what's this? From Cancol. Yeah, this is from Cancol, Kantai collection, and this is actually a split figure. You can see you have two different characters, and you put them together, and they form a larger scene, a larger figure. It's like a diorama or something. You can put them together. Okay, it's cool. And last but not least, oh, I got these two. Yeah, those are from Madoka Magica, and they are actually from Magia Record. That's an online game, if I'm not mistaken. That's it's not really available, I guess, in Western countries. So it's just an Easter thing. I saw some of the characters. It has an original story. It's kind of like if you ever played One Piece Treasure Cruise or the the Fire Emblem mobile game. It's kind of like the same. You collect characters and play in a RPG fashion. So it's kind of like the same. I assume you have rarer characters and less rare characters and stuff like that. Okay, it looks pretty good. Those are glasses, as you can see, decorated with Madoka Magica images. You have one with Madoka and a new character. She's the main protagonist of Magia Record, if I'm not mistaken. I can remember the name. Iroha, I guess. Okay, and then the other, you can see also the other glass here. I'll show you that as well. This is the variant. I got both of the variants. And this shows another new character along with along with Akemi Omura. Yeah, sorry for that. My memory is a little bit foggy about Madoka Magica. I've seen it quite a bit of time ago. So, you see the name here is Omura. Okay, and this new character name is I can read it. Oh boy, this camera sucks. Gotta buy a new camera. I gotta win a camera. Why they don't put a camera as a prize so I can win it? Yachiyo, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm reading it correctly. Okay, and this is the second one. So 2 glasses. Seems cool. Now let's open the other stuff.